Talking about Canada.
Best country ever.
Yes. Kunyari, parang documentary.
Exercise nga kami dito.
I'm introvert, Rex.
Ah,
I don't like exposure.
si Daddy.
Tapos dini-impress ko yung introvert sa dapat magpapa-introvert ko na.
Overall, ano sasabihin niya sa mga papunta ng Canada?
Ay, may ganon. Enjoy.
Follow your dream.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do what you want to do. Do whatever makes you happy. As long as you don't hurt anybody.